Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying for USMLE Step 1. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and what topics are covered. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to prepare for. Next, develop a personalized study plan that fits your daily routine and learning preferences. Finally, acquire your core study materials, such as a comprehensive review book and a reliable question bank. These initial steps are crucial for building a strong study foundation. Once you have your plan, focus on active learning. Utilize spaced repetition for high-yield topics to maximize retention over time. Don't just passively read. Engage with the material. Incorporate practice questions from day one to apply your knowledge and identify weak areas. This helps solidify concepts and builds test-taking endurance. Continuously evaluate your performance and be flexible with your schedule, adjusting it to address any challenges you encounter. This iterative approach is key. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: just like you need reliable study materials, you need reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable, perfect for those long study sessions. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Studying for Step 1 is a marathon, not a sprint, so taking care of yourself is paramount. Ensure you get enough sleep each night and maintain a balanced diet to keep your mind sharp. Regular breaks are essential to prevent burnout. Step away from your books and do something you enjoy. Consider joining a study group or finding a mentor for additional support and to stay accountable. A strong support system can make a significant difference in your journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.